Hi, my name's Dustin Elliott. I'm one of the senior business consultants here at Wyzed. And in this video, I want to give you a quick overview of how it looks when you add the Wyzed Learning and Compliance System to your Confluence site. Specifically, this video will look at your Confluence user's experience in terms of accessing the learning system. There will be a separate video to show you how to configure the systems together later on, but what we're going to see in this video is a simple, seamless sign-on connection on the Confluence dashboard to the Wyzed learning system, and you will see how easy and frictionless the whole experience is for your users to access the learning and compliance content you've built for them to complete. But here, let's jump into it and check it out, and we're going to log in as a regular Confluence user, Bob Hope. Now, once you've installed the Wyzed Confluence add-on, your Confluence users will then see the My Learning button at the top. It's important to note that you'll need to either have a Wyzed free trial or a full system in order to complete this. So if you haven't done so already, feel free to jump over to our website at wyzed.com, that's wyzed.com, to fill out the form and get started today. But here, the first time the Confluence user clicks the button, the Wyzed system will read their Confluence group and then set them up as a user automatically in Wyzed, making sure to enroll them in their required courses, apply the necessary tags, as well as assign the required licenses and qualifications and information you want to track for that user. After subsequent times, once they've clicked it, they'll automatically log them in. It won't take them through that setup process we just saw. Now, here on the Wyzed dashboard, we'll see that we have a few compliance alerts. We'll see here that we have some current courses, and obviously this is the first time that this Confluence user is in here, so they have no completed courses. But to get started, they can simply click on the course itself. And now they can go through and complete the course content that you've built for them. And that's it. Very quick to set up and provides that easy, frictionless environment for your Confluence users to access their online learning. To get started, make sure that you have, again, a full Wyzed system or a free trial. And as always, you can reach out to us at info@wyzed.com if you have any questions, or again, start that form on our website to get started today.